Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing? Today is Saturday, April 13th. Yesterday after the live stream. That was great last night too. Thanks for everyone who attended and all the nice comments and everything. Okay, here's the van. I call it a remodel. Basically, I'm moving this bench. I already started. After my little trip in Vegas, I really had some time to think about it. I'm moving this platform, sliding it down about 15 inches, and I will show you the result. This should work out just nice and give me a ton more room, hopefully. I think so. Alright. Okay, I'm covering up it's a double door. I don't need both doors to enter the van. I mean, when this was a passenger van, yeah. And down here, I will add some additional bracing. Should be solid. This is really a very simple move, the way I built this. And see, there's plenty of room right there to get in and out. Keep that door shut. Look at that. Easy access right there. Wait till you see the room this is going to give me. Let me get this bed out of here and then I'll get started. Isn't that cool? Comes right out. Alrighty. Then I'll keep the crates for support. Looking good. Alright, that's rock solid. I like that. That'll work. Okay, that looks alright. I'm going to set the couch back in here. That's good and solid. Once again, this is all removable. I want this stuff to come out of here. I'm not mounting anything permanent. There'll be plenty of room, and then the tubs will go in the back. Okay, look at that. See, that's plenty of room for an entry right there. Plenty of room. Door shuts good. That'll ride perfect. Fold down into a bed. Ton of room. I'm liking it. I was going to do this in Vegas. But check it out. Look at all the floor space now. Ton of floor space. Now I'm going to arrange the tubs. Check it out. They go straight across. Look at that. I'll get all 4 tubs back there. This little one here, I mounted it to the top of the battery box. It can ride up there for now. Just be incidentals in that anyway. I'll figure it out. Trial and error, bits and pieces. Getting it there. Look at the floor space. Priceless. Okay, there's all 4 of them. That TV's kind of a pain in the butt, but that's mainly going to ride on the couch when I'm traveling. Low ice chest. Ran the electrical around a little bit, but look at that. I mean, what a major difference. Plus, I'm reorganizing the tubs. What happened to me in Vegas, I kept digging through this tub to find that and this, and I had everything scattered around. So I'm going to get a lot better at separating my clothes, shoes, things to eat with, cooking, paper plates, all that in those tubs. And that just takes time. But I'm liking this. Also, I have a small air conditioner in the cargo trailer I'm going to pull out and put in here. I think I can make it work. Maybe up behind the seat. We'll see. Okay, batteries are full. Solar is working good. Look at this, right through there. Man, I'm liking this so much better. I was tripping over myself up in Vegas in this thing. And up front here, I still got a little bit to go. I'll show you. Right there, I got my cords, extension cord, cable. And those are just kind of like towels for the windows. That little Jackery battery. There's the engine switch for charging batteries while I'm driving. Still got easy access. That tub is not in the way at all from the driver's seat. I fastened that ladder right there. Those tubs are also bungeed down to the floor. Ain't going nowhere. So in case sudden stop, be fine. Boom, closed up. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna get in the trailer and dig out that little air conditioner. Right there. Even with that, I'll still have a ton of room. I'll show you from the driver's side that tub's not in the way either. You can see the mirror and everything. Watch this. Whoop. Right there. See the mirror. Just fine. The only thing I don't like is some yellow covers on them. Look at all the room back there. And I can still see out the rear windows too. Alright, I'm gonna go grab that low air conditioner and I'll be right back. Alright, got her in there. As long as I got power wherever I'm stopped. Look at that. I'll figure out a vent system for it. Get it mounted, get the wheels off of it. But that was in the trailer. I kept the trailer cool. Yes. How about that? So we will have air conditioning when needed at campgrounds and whatnot. Nice. I'll modify that vent somehow, get it through a window good. And it won't be vented when I'm driving. It'll be all disconnected. Bungeed up. Or maybe to the back of the seat. I'm thinking I'll mount it to the back of the seat. Something like that. I'll make it work. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.